Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monopoly Go installation failed. Try later error. The error reads, Monopoly Go installation failed. Try later. com.scopely.monopolygo.flexion, -112. As per our research, the error comes when users try to open Monopoly Go, but instead of loading, the game shows this error and fails to launch. According to our research, the error may be triggered due to a glitch in the app, an issue with your phone, or if there is a pending update. The first thing we suggest is to force close the Monopoly Go app and restart it. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then restart your phone and try opening the game again. Then, see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then check if there are any pending updates available for the app. If there is an update, install it and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest you contact Monopoly Go support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.